Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today's video I will show you how to change your channel lineup on YouTube TV using iPhone. Let's get started. First, open the YouTube TV app on your iPhone and make sure you are logged into your account. Next, tap the Live tab at the bottom right of your screen. This is where all your channels are listed in order. In the top right corner, you will see option that says Sort Options or Customize. YouTube TV may label it differently depending on updates. Tap on that. Now you will see a few ways to sort your channel. Default, A to Z, Custom. Tap Custom. This is the mode that lets you actually change your lineup. Once you are in Custom mode, you will see three line drag icon next to each channel. Press and hold the icon, then drag the channel up and down to record it any way you like. You can move your favorite channel to the very top so they are always easy to find. You can also hide channel that you never watch. Just tap the eye icon next to the channel to hide it from your live guide. If you ever wanted to bring it back, you can unhide it the same way. When you are done organizing, tap save or just back out. YouTube TV automatically remembers your new lineup, and that's it. Now your channel guide is organized exactly the way you want it. That's all for today's video, guys. I hope you guys like this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.